There is a tragic accident inoonekwa itika muguta guru renyika yeZimbabwe muHarare panoonekwa kunzi 2 people have been involved aiwa in a tragic accident panoonekwa kunzi petrol tanker exploded. Sanapenda mashoko anobuda panguva ine anosiririsa ndopai pandotibva subscriber obva walike kana kuti on the bell yako tipira pana pam the crime watch vanoposta this picture ramuri kuona this petrol tank ramuri kuona aiwa richipirima nemoto sezvamuri kuona kudanyura chiti tragic news from Harare. One man has died and another young man is fighting for his life after a fuel tanker exploded while they were welding it. The two were aware of what the tanker had previously carried. As they were working on it, the tanker suddenly burst into flames. Former Harare Deputy Mayor Kudzi Kadzombe has urged residents to act responsibly in their communities. She said, there is already a council resolution in place that allows the enforcement, towing, and the clamping of trucks parked in residential areas. These trucks pose many dangers, such as causing accidents like this one, damaging roads, and even being used as hiding spots by criminals, especially at night. Ndo mashoko ayo anosiririsa pari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa this petrol tanker inoexploda while they were welding it. Chitiko aiwa chasiririsa panguva ino aiwa nyasi kuonekwa kunzi people must practice caution nguva dzose. Mashoko atuka panapa achikudhilivherai pano paUZM News Live moza ndinokupai maupdates ezvese zvichiitika munyika. Pinai comment section medu muridze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musaona subscribe or like, shut on the bell icon.